Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we're going to be checking out the 0 to 100 time on the Harley-Davidson Dyna Wide Glide 1700. Now the manufacturer claims a time of 5.3 seconds and we're going to see if we can replicate that and see if that's accurate. Let's get to it. Well, there you go, guys. It's quite surprising. The Harley-Davidson's got some get up and go. Well, if you enjoyed that video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and we'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.